Hello, my friends. Welcome back. I'm coming on to do a layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I am using this expo kit. Paula and Meredy taught a class at an expo, and I was able to get my hands on this fab kit. It comes with a handy dandy little tote bag. I do love merch. And all kinds of pattern papers. We have Cocoa Vanilla, Echo Park, Simple Stories. I've got sequins. I have got a stencil. Pink Fresh Alphas. Hello, Pink Fresh Alphas. I have already used lots and lots on one layout. So all kinds of goodness is in this kit. I've already done one layout with it. I thought I'd come back and do another. I'm trying to get all of these little tiny skinny bits. So I don't even know where I'm going with this layout yet. I do know I'm really digging these border strips, so they are going to definitely come in. I like this strong orange and blue, and it made me think of this photo of my daughter Shay and her boyfriend Nick. They went to a Detroit Tigers game, which has colors that are about this blue and then like crayon orange, like real close to this. So absolutely perfect. And oh, but wait, these Cocoa Vanilla embellishments, we've got tickets in here, and there's also, let me find them. Ooh, I can use You're the Best. There's pennants in here. There are. I promise there are because, okay, like, look, how cute is that for a sporty layout? So I have good embellishments. I have some of these, oh, so amazing painted wood stars left. There are so many good things that I can do, and I can't wait to get started. Now, the other layout I used a ton of stencil work because, you know, it's a great stencil. I love mixed media goodies in these kits. So I'm not quite sure where I'm going to go with this. I'm going to do a little something. Not quite sure yet. We'll figure it out. So I got to calm down. I am going to trim off my branding strip from this piece of Simple Stories Color Vibe paper. It is super nifty and I love it. So we have that. Now, I did say that I was really into these border strips. So I'm gonna cut them out just from the get-go because I know I want to use them. I love all the patterns we get. Oh, I love that pattern too. Okay, I love all. And then I have to figure out which way I want to go with the goodies that are left. I mean, so many of these pieces are just cool. Like I can tear them up or whatevs. So let me cut these pieces out. I think they need tearing or scuffing, some of that kind of stuff, and I'll be right back. So I'm starting to just place some things down. Not quite sure where I'm going with it yet. I like this little white piece here because I think it brightens things up. I have to cut that little bit off there. It'll be fine. It'll be fine, not a big deal. What else do we have? Like I said, I'm really smitten with all of this stuff. Ooh, this awesome piece is, you know, awesome. Let's see. Not really feeling like putting that piece in right now. I like this. Let's see. That's too big for that. I really like that orange paper kind of vibing in the back of this. I think that's not where I'm going for the tigers. Let's see. I'm liking the idea of using way too many embellishments. All right, I know what I'm gonna do. Let me go ahead and get my photo matted down. That will give me a little bit of extra direction. I think it'll be cute and a nice pop of bright. I kind of feel like I need some lighter things around it because my wood grain is quite a deep wood grain. Don't get me wrong. Anytime a wood grain is a deep color, I think it's amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and get this popped up on some dimensional adhesive. Then I think I need to start playing around with all of my larger embellishments, getting down to smaller embellishments, all that kind of stuff. So just trying to kind of audition some of these pieces to see what I'm really digging on. I want my photo to be popped up pretty darn tall, so I'm going to give it just a little bit more height. And I saw this little orphaned bit right here. Okay, so it still has the backing on, so I can move that wherever. I've got my awesome title here, which is perfect. And it'll show up nicely. I have that. That'll get popped up on Dimension as well. Now, I do have this gorgeousness here. And this is Echo Park Baby Boy Little One Leaves. Look at how pretty it is, guys. It's so gorgeous. Ooh, do I want to use some of... Oh, yep. No, is it long enough? Yes, I'm going to use some of that for my border too. Kind of have an idea that just popped in my head for this. So, the little things that get me excited. Guys, look at how pretty. So I can have that be the white kind of color to brighten that up. I have a white one here. I'm vibing it. And what I'm thinking I need is a handy dandy border punch. So I'm going to border punch that piece. I'm going to get things stuck down. I'm liking this now. I thought I was going to scuff edges, but apparently I'm not. Guess not. Let me get this stuff down. I pretty much have all of my pieces placed. I need to pop things up on dimensional adhesive, all that kind of stuff. And I do have small amount of sequins left from playing so much with them on my previous layout. So the thing I have to decide is, do I want to come in with some mixed media? And I think my answer can only be yes. Now I have lots of white surrounding this, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my Distress Oxide and Rusty Hinge. This came with the Halloween Essentials kit. So let me get playing with this. I'll be right back. So it turns out Rusty Hinge truly did not match. So I came in with another Distress Oxide, and you can see that pale blue tone did show up against that really deep wood grain. It's Speckled Egg, which may be my favorite light bluesy tone. Now I think I'm going to go in next and get some sequins put on in just a few different clusters, and so that will be this layout
sometime next year. We'll get more stuff, and I'll worry about it then.
For sports goodies. Here are a few still shots, and I will have the links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, the website, the blog, as well as the Facebook group. That's what I have for now, guys. I'll be back ever so soon with another video.